to 20 miles. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Bell County and central Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Florence, or 15 miles southwest of Harker Heights, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 277 and 291. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Waco metropolitan area. Tornado Watch 112 in effect until 11 p.m. this evening, rest of this afternoon. Partly sunny with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Breezy with highs in the upper 80s. South winds 20 to 25 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 15 to 20 miles